All right, now the fuel filter's held on by a couple 8mm. You got one right there, one right there, one right there. Take that shield off. You got full access. Then you just unscrew these two, and bam. And there's two up there, and bam. But I think I'm gonna have to go probably get 4 what do you call it? Little clamps, because these are hard to turn back once you take them off, which is why I know this is stock. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. But yeah. So like I said, a couple 8mm. It's a 10 that holds it. So I'm gonna do first. Turn that off. So you let that thing down like that, you feel me? You just follow the lines. Make sure you don't get it messed up. So you take out one thing at a time and connect it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Do all that, put the fuel filter back up and get it. I don't know if y'all can see, but how dirty this fuel was. Black. Crazy. Yeah, this definitely. Oh, this look. BMW. Right on the side tells you. This thing was stock. BMW. 200,000 miles. Change your damn fuel filters, people. Alright, so the passenger side is a fuel pump. Took the back seat out. It's 4 10mm bolts. Take those out and then we'll have access. So let's do that, player. Now you see the fuel pump. You know that's stock. That's OEM right there. So gotta change the fuel pump. So what I like to do, I like to take a picture or mark where the old one was, which you can't do that pretty much anyway, but I like to get where it was at. So now you get you a hammer and a flathead, line it up on that, and bang that. But you're gonna see in a minute, I'm gonna show you. All right, so now I got the fuel pump in. Got all the stuff tightened down, all electrical connections plugged up. And I forgot to tell you, before disconnecting the fuel pump, make sure, or taking out anything fuel related, anything start or anything, disconnect that battery. Now it's got to put coolant in the system, bleed the coolant, and yeah, that should be it. Put coolant in the system, bleed the coolant, maybe put a little bit of gas, and see what she does. Fuel pump prime. Almost. Feels better. Now I gotta go up under here and check for leaks, do all that, make sure there's no leaks, and I'll get back at y'all. Peace. All right, cool, I'm back at it with the E46, and I decided to just do everything. I'm tired of playing games with this car. I took it out, I drove it, and it was still acting up after I changed all the fuel assembly, everything. But anyway, I got everything else. I got, what is this? I think this is, oh, the diesel valve. I got the diesel valve. I got the mass airflow sensor. I got injectors. And I got spark plugs. And I got a valve cover gasket. So that's everything. And then on the other side, as y'all know, I already did the manifold, oil separator, all that stuff. So now I'm just doing this side, doing everything. I did the water pump and thermostat. So I did everything. So after I finish this car should have no problems. We should be dipping and driving. So, and the new gasket, they just slide on there. You know what I'm saying? Just fit it in the grooves. They just slide on there. So now we got the new gasket on there. I also got everything cleaned up in here. Everything look good. Nothing's in the motor. You know what I'm saying? Everything's looking great. It's time to put that, I got some RTV sealant. I'm gonna put some in this corner, that corner, and this little corner's right here, and then the corners in the back. And then slap that on. And yeah. It sounds easy, slap it on. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. So check it out. Let's get it. All right, so now I got the valve cover on. Bam. You view me? That's on. Now I gotta change these spark plugs. So valve cover, spark plugs. Yeah, put the ignition coils back on. That side will be done. Then I got a new diesel valve, so I gotta take out the intake so I can put the diesel valve. And then I got a new mass airflow, so I'm gonna put that too. So. All right, so it's been a minute since I've been back on a black E46, and last time it was giving me problems. Changed the intake manifold, everything up under there, vacuum lines, everything, smoke tested, everything. Nothing came out. Can't figure out the problem. Still can't figure out the problem. Changed O2 sensors, mass airflow sensor, everything. I keep getting the P71 code, I think, and some other stuff like fuel mixture and all this other stuff. I'm thinking it could be the Vano seals. So what I'm gonna do today is change the Vano seals. Now, of course, you gotta take the valve cover off. Then once you take the valve cover off, voila, you have access to the Vanos. Then it's a couple wires and all that. Put the light down too so you can see wires and all that up under there, you know what I'm saying? You get all the wires, unrun them, disconnect everything, and bring it up top. Get everything out of the way. So that way, when all that oil drip and all that, it's out of the way. Look at all that. So all that's out the way now. Then there's two 8mm bolts like that. You get that, you break it. I got a little baby breaker bar, you take those off. Now these are the, ooh, look at all the oil. Good thing I got that right there. On both sides, it's the same thing. So they're both 8mm. They're both the same thing. Like, you can't mix sides on that. And I'm recording with one hand and giving you this game. See how talented I am? I don't know nobody else I can record with one hand, do this, and give you this game. Everybody else be corny. You know what I'm saying? You know, guys, today, you know, your boy recorded, giving you game, all that at the same time. Then up under here, it's two little caps. You want to get some needle nose pliers, twist and pull them out, and then voila, they pop out. So when I'm back and I was able to reach in there and look, damn, the other one's even worse. So you take them two off. Then you have two more bolts. I gotta see what size they are because I forgot. So since it's reverse thread, it's the opposite. Damn, that's loose. All right, so now the Vanos is out. You got the intake and you got the exhaust side. Damn, look at that. Damn, look at that. And there you have it. That's why power is being lost. Look at that. Then there's another test that you do. You get this right here, you put it in there. It's supposed to be sealing. Ain't nothing sealing in there, man. Good. Cleaned it up a little bit, but after all that's done, get that ready. Line that up. And slide that thing on. There's two bolts. I gotta put them on. Reverse thread, and then somehow get ready to torque them down. I gotta see the torque stick. All right, so now everything's buttoned up, tightened up. Everything's on. All the connectors is on. It's time to start it up. This is the problem I drive. Like it's a vacuum leak or it dumps fuel or something. So that didn't fix the problem. See that? So we know it's not the mass airflow sensor. No, it's not. None of them damn seals. Could it be? Like they don't want to do nothing. Gotta figure it out. Weird. Thought I found the problem. Thought it was that. O-ring on the dipstick. Nope, it's not. So keep digging. I'm not taking that manifold off again. No, I know it's not that. So. I did everything, man. O2 sensors, everything. Well, time to get back to work. Enough of that yip yapping and jaw jacking. Something's up, man. Gotta find it. Peace. I'm gonna find this. Yeah, so I ended up finding out what was going on with the whip. The problem was that the catalytic converter was clogged. So that was causing the car to act like that and do that. So what happened was I ended up swapping out the headers with some aftermarket headers, and the car drove perfect, no problems, no nothing. Your boy whipping and dipping. So yeah, I thought I'd give y'all this update, you know what I'm saying? I had footage of me putting in the headers and doing all of that, but it got lost. So I gotta explain to y'all what happened. But yeah, man, next episode, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Just stay tuned, man. And subscribe, like, comment, you know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Peace.